Microsoft and Google are at war as Microsoft takes Bing and Edge to the next level with AI-driven search features, revolutionizing the search experience. New features include visually appealing image and video answers, efficient productivity through chat history and ongoing chats in Edge, and allowing developers to build on Bing's platform. Bing Image Creator is now available in all languages, and visual search will soon be integrated into Edge's chat function. Expect improved summarization for lengthy documents, AI-assisted tasks through Edge Actions, and enhanced page context in Edge Mobile. Microsoft is also working on incorporating third-party plugins into Bing's chat experience. Bing now has over 100 million daily users, and its mobile app installs have quadrupled since its debut. Bing is now open for preview, so you can test it by logging in with your Microsoft account. Follow me for more AI news.